All right, kids. So I learned a thing or two since our last homework. I noticed a lot of you were having trouble with the kind where you have, a binomial, two terms over, over like a six or over some number. I'm going to show you another way that you can handle those. You might not like it as much, but just consider this your one example for the day. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to split this numerator into two fractions. We did this earlier in the year. I'm going to rewrite it as 2x over 6, and then minus, because it's a minus sign there, 5 over 6 plus 1/3 is equal, and then I'm going to split this one the same way. It's going to be x over 4 plus 3 over 4. So it looks really bad because there's 5 separate fractions now, but it's really, I don't know, it's up to you whether you like it or not. This keeps you from doing the distributive property, which a lot of you were kind of getting locked up on. Anyway, so we're looking for the LCM of 3, 4, and 6. All right, so for 3, 4, and 6, we got 3, 6, 9, 12. For 4, we got 4, 8, 12. And then for 6, we got 6, 12. 12 is the LCM for those three numbers. Okay. All right, so I'm going to multiply the entire thing by a big old 12. So I'm going to be doing 12 times this guy. So it's going to be, I'm going to show my work here. You don't have to show it quite like this. You can just, I'll show you whenever you can skip a step here. So 12 times that, and then minus 12 times the 5 over 6, and then plus 12 times the 1/3. I'm just trying to be clear on how I'm showing it to you. And then 12 times the x over 4. So I'm distributing this 12 through all pieces. All right. So this next step is probably where you could have just skipped to. All right. So I've got 12 times 2x divided by 6. Well, the 12 and the 6 will just create a 2, 12 divided by 6. And so you got a 2 times the 2x. So this piece is going to give us a 4x. All right, you could do 12 times 2 is 24, and then 24 divided by 6 if you want to. 12 divided by 6 is 2, and then 2 times 5, that's 10. See here, 12 divided by 3, that's going to give me a 4 out of that piece. All right, and then we have a 12 up top and a 4 down below. So that's going to be 12 divided by 4 is 3. All right, and then 12 times 3/4. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, but then we have to times it by this 3. So that's going to be a 9. All right, you could have gone from my red step straight to the black one if you wanted to. All right. Another thing that I saw people getting a little wonky with is moving stuff to one side or the other. So first off, these are on the same side of the equation, so you can just combine those if you wanted to. All right, so that's going to be a -6 there. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna move my 3x over. All right, this is going to give me 1x, and then -6 for that part equals 9. And then you're going to add 6 to both sides, and you'll have your answer, 15. I'm kind of shocked that this was not a fraction for an answer. That was a nice round number, wasn't it? All right, so that's the trick right there, guys. Hopefully that helps you. Remember, you can split. You can take a fraction like that and split it into two pieces like that. Hopefully that kind of helps you.